Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your supplies and getting your finger ready. Wash with warm water, dry completely, then load a fresh lancet and the correct test strip. Turn the meter on. If it's new, quickly set the date and time so readings log correctly. Pick a fingertip, middle or ring, away from calluses to improve blood flow. Once done, massage your hand below the selected finger toward the tip to encourage a small drop of blood without excessive squeezing. Now you perform the actual sampling with controlled movements. Position the lancing device against the side of the fingertip and press the release. Prick quickly, then lightly massage toward the tip until a single steady drop appears. Bring the test strip's edge to the drop. The meter will draw the blood in, so avoid smearing. Make sure you see the indicator or hear a beep confirming adequate sample. If the meter displays a countdown, hold steady until it completes to ensure an accurate reading. Complete the test by removing and safely disposing of the used lancet and strip. Place the lancet in a sharps container. Read the displayed glucose value, log it manually or sync with your app if available. If you see an error, make sure the strip was inserted correctly, the strip code matches, and the meter battery isn't low. Then retry with a new strip. Finally, if the result is unexpectedly high or low, follow your prescribed action plan and contact your healthcare provider if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.